Hello, my name is YunboLi. I'm here to present the final project for our team. The project topic is automatic image mosaic. It is inspired by mosaic artwork. It aims to create an aesthetic image created by arranging a collection of small images automatically with some user controls on the output images. Users will be able to switch output images, zoom in and out, and change the color of the image. Our team wants to use this technique to commemorate the legendary basketball player Kobe Bryant, who passed away in 2020 in an accident. We used processing for this project. The project emphasized the automation process, which minimized the user's efforts on creating the artwork. So this is our final project result. As you can see, we have successfully recreated the output images by using the image mosaic art style. However, there are some resolution issues, as you can see. It is because that there are not enough images to match the specific part of the output images. We try to increase the number of images we use for this project, but the reaction time on the user control has significantly causing problem when we try to increase the number of images. So we just decide to leave like this, since it also this result is also pretty satisfying for us. In terms of the user control, we placed a LD button on the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, there are 3 output images the users can select. User can switch images by just pressing on the images, and it works smoothly. And the user can also zoom in to see the detail of the small images by just pressing the left mouse button. As you can see, once the user zoom in, you can see the detail of the small images, and the user can also move around the screen just by moving the mouse around. We found this more intuitive than using a button to place on the UI screen. And then user can zoom out by pressing the right mouse button. On top of that, we also added one more functionality for the final project. That is this filter buttons on the right bottom corner. So user can press this to change the color scheme of the output images. And then in terms of other functionality, we also added background music for the final project, which you can hear that when you open our project. In terms of coding, the most important issue we need to figure out is in what way do we arrange the images so that they will create the image mosaic style. First of all, we need to look at every pixel in the larger images. We use a for loop to make the image pixelated with small rectangles. For this project, we set the size of each rectangle to be 100 times 50, and there's a total of around 12,000 rectangles that we're using. The next step is to replace the small rectangle with images. To do that, we need to first loop through all the images names in the file. Then in order to order the images to make an image mosaic, we want to use the particular images that matches the particular brightness value closely. This step is inspired by the course knowledge that the human eye are most sensitive to the brightness changes rather than the color changes. We need to load all pixels in an image and calculate the average brightness level of each images. Afterwards, we need to match the closest image to each brightness level, that is 0 to 256, and order them by the brightness level in an array. We should calculate the difference with the current brightness level we are searching for and the brightness level of the particular image. With that being said, this presentation has covered the overview of the project. and working demo, and the most essential algorithm explained. Thanks for listening.